Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to kick someone out of your PlayStation 4 party. And this is very easy to do. So what I want to do is go up to the party and then select this icon. And then we can start a party, or we can join the party that we're currently in. So let's go to start. Then we can go to open party or closed party. Now to be able to kick someone from the party, you do have to be the person that started the party. So if I go to open party right now and select this, and then start this up, I can have someone join, and then I can kick them. So my second account is in here now, Action 6. So since I'm the party owner, it says it right there. I can go to their name now, select it, and then there is an option to kick out. So let's remove them from the party. Now if we can't remove them from the party, we can always go to their name, and then we can select it, and then we can go to mute. Now if we're in a closed party, and we want to go ahead and get that person kicked out. So let's say I join the B team right here, and I'm not the party leader. Well, you can message the party owner, and you can find out who the party owner is by going to the messages right here, and then it's going to show you the message group. Then the left side of the screen you can go to players, and you can scroll on down under here, and you can see it says owner above their name. So this person is the owner of the party chat. You just have to message them and have them kick the person. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.